So we're heading off on our first big adventure since having kids. The 1 and 2 year old have gone to the grandparents. How do you feel, Stace? First ride for 2.5 years?
Oh, pretty excited. I just hope I don't fall off. I'm pretty excited. I've peed so much.
She'll be alright. So we're all loaded up, 2 days, camping all the way, or 3 days really, camping 2 nights. Should be fun.
Was in another lifetime, one of toil and blood, when blackness was a virtue and the road was full of mud. I come in from the wilderness, a creature void of form. Come in, she said, I'll give ya shelter from the storm. If I pass this way again, you can rest assured I'll always do my best for her, on that I give my word. In a world of steel-eyed death and men who are fighting to be warm, come in, she said, I'll give you shelter from the storm. Not a word was spoke between us, there was no risk involved. Nothing up to that point had even been resolved. Try imagining a place where it's always safe and warm. Come in, she said, I'll give ya shelter from the storm. I was burned out from exhaustion, buried in the hail, poisoned in the bushes and blown out on the trail. Hunted like a crocodile, ravaged in the corn. Come in, she said, I'll give ya shelter from the storm. Suddenly I turned around and she was standing there, with silver bracelets on her wrists and flowers in her hair. She walked up to me so gracefully and took my crown of thorns. Come in, she said, I'll give ya shelter from the storm.
Well, we're about 10 k's west of Dorrigo. The weather's really starting to close in. It's quite cold out here. Stacey's putting the wet weather gear on. I reckon we've got about 250 k's to do before we camp tonight. Stacey's doing a little dance for you. Yeah, but I'd say we're going to get wet, which won't be the first time for this ride. I reckon the temperature. Here we are at the campground at Apsley Falls. Had a fair bit of rain and thunderstorms and all sorts today, freezing cold, and I'd say we're going to get a bit of rain tonight, so we've set ourselves up in a little posse so that we've got somewhere dry to step out of the tent.
Well, I've heard newborn babies crying like a moaning dove, and old men with broken teeth stranded without love. Do I understand your question, man? Is it hopeless and forlorn? Come in, she said, I'll give ya shelter from the storm.